says she running away.
Hey family, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing my sister friend, my sister client basically. I am doing her house today. So she bought a new house and we are starting to decorate it. So we got most of the stuff in. All of it is not in as yet, but we are going to start. So this will be in different phases because she wanted to start to see her house come together, and it was starting to have a lot of boxes all over the place. So we're gonna put some of this stuff installed today. We're working on a dining room area mainly today, and installing the carpets today and some of the artwork. So you will see that, and then there'll be phase two. Phase two should be the final, just about final reveal.
Yes, baby, act like we ain't spending no money.
So here you're seeing the empty room. So this is when they first moved into the home. And this space is the entry to the house. And the entry to the house, you have the formal living room and the formal dining room. And this area over here is the family room, a kitchenette, and the kitchen. So this is move in day. And yes, I was there to help my sister friend out, child. I just had to be there. I'm so excited for her. And I treat her house like it's my house. I'm excited when we get stuff. And I'm like, yeah, your house is going to look like this, going to look like that. And me and her just have a whole kick with all of it. So you will see when we start to do the install how everything looks. Her house is a beautiful house. It's a 5-bedroom house. And we're working on the first floor first. So here we have her dining room table. We ordered the table and we already set it up. I'm not going to do every setup because of course it takes long to put some of these pieces together. So you'll see as we go. These chairs, we got these beautiful, beautiful velvet silver chevron pattern dining chairs from Home Goods. We actually had to go to a few Home Goods. We got 3 at one, and then we had to go digging, searching for one more. So, and then all these items here are the different accessories we have already picked up from Home Goods. Home Goods, we really had a good haul. And here I am messing with Babe. He does not like the camera. I'm being Miss Paparazzi on him. Oh.
Ooh, that rub. Yes, baby. Act like we ain't spending no money. He did that.
I see. I see.
We went all out. Okay, I got it. Put it back.
Okay, guys, as you can see, we have the carpet out. It's laying nice and flat because it is a good carpet. So when you have a good quality carpet, as soon as you put it out, this is the results that you'll get from it. Okay, the next thing that we're going to do is we're installing the dining room table. As you can see, we have a beautiful, beautiful chrome base. This is a 6-seater, and the top is solid wood, and it is a gray wood tone. Now the gray wood tone, as you will see, would match with the chairs that we got from Home Goods. So you would think that we bought these pieces together, and we did not. We were searching for a dining room table, probably over 2 weeks. And finally, she found this one, sent it to me, and I was like, yes, that is it. It is a go. So what we did is we centered the table on the rug. Sorry, I keep saying carpet, but it's a rug. On the rug, and Then we centered it under the light. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to put the chairs in place. As you can see, these chairs, again, the legs on these chairs are that wood gray tone. The chairs, is the fabric on it is like a gray chevron, and it has a little metallic to it. And it also has nail heads on it. And those nail heads you will see will tie back to the blue chairs. The blue chairs has chrome legs, which will match back to the dining room table. And it has the nail heads, which will match back to these chairs. And then it has it has like a tufting in it. And the tufting will match back to the living room sofa when that comes. So when you're putting like different items, like you're mismatching different items in different rooms, you have to ensure that you're tying everything back together so that it doesn't look like you really did purchase them from somewhere else. Like a whole bunch of different places, I meant to say. Okay, guys, as you can see with my sister here, she's always cleaning and sweeping. We tell her she has a good problem. She has a good problem. We tease her about it all the time. And I'm like, girl, go sit your tail down. So you're going to see her throughout the video with this broom and her little mop, sweeping and mopping as we go. And she mopped and swept before we started. Okay, so here are the blue chairs. As you can see, the beautiful chrome legs, the nail heads, the tufting. They're just so gorgeous. And she also found these chairs as well. Okay guys, here is the setup of the dining room table. As you can see, we have 4 chairs that are the same, and we have 2 head chairs that are different. So we're bringing in this blue, and we're going to tie that blue back to the living room as well. In the carpet, as you can see, the carpet has brown tones. It has gray blue tones. It has cream tones. So everything is tying back together. So we're having issues with the drapery. We cannot extend the rod as much as we want to, so those have to come back down. They look terrible, and we're gonna have to replace the rods. So we have to send the rods back to Amazon, and we're gonna just we're gonna either look for them locally so I can see them and see that they're actually good rods. Here is her living room, and in the living room she wanted a shag rug. So as you can see, this rug extends beyond the sofa. You always want your rugs to extend beyond the sofa. Here is the console table that we're putting on this wall, along with the mirror. In her kitchenette area, we have a rug. Again, all her rugs are tying back to each other. This kitchenette set, her husband purchased this one for her for Mother's Day. So this is a Mother's Day gift, and I think he did a really good job on this pick right here. So as you can see from her rug, we just installed this rug. All the rugs were installed today. And as you can see, the ends of her rugs are sitting flat. And that's when you know that you have a good rug. If your rugs are curled up even like an hour, 2 hours after, like, you need to go check that out. Or if you do get them to sit down, you'll start to see them curling up again. You don't have a good rug, love. Don't do it. Don't do it. So as you can see, the console table is it's like a seashell mosaic top. The table is pretty heavy, and the mirror is a metal frame. That's actually a metal frame. The gold tones that we're using is more on the brass side to keep it more warmer and tie in with her floor in her home as well. So we got all the pieces from Home Goods, from Wayfair, from Overstock, local furniture store, the rug outlet here in Atlanta. So that's where we purchased all of her items from, and I think we did really good. So guys, this is phase 1 of the install, and phase 2, all of the items that we're waiting for should be here. And I will see you guys on the next one. And I hope you guys enjoy and stay tuned for the next phase.